The helicopter fleet of the Indian Armed Forces is undergoing a period of structural transition, shaped by operational demands, aging legacy platforms, and a sustained push towards indigenization. Rotary-wing aircraft remain central to India's military capability, supporting missions that range from high-altitude warfare and rapid troop mobility to maritime security, logistics, and humanitarian assistance. While modern foreign-origin helicopters have strengthened niche capabilities, the long-term focus is increasingly on indigenous platforms, supported by domestically sustained engines and supply chains. The Indian Air Force operates the largest share of the country's military helicopter inventory. The Mi-17 V5 medium-lift helicopter continues to form the backbone of transport and logistics operations, valued for its versatility across varied terrain and climate conditions. These helicopters have played a key role in sustaining forward deployments in mountainous regions and during disaster relief operations. Complementing this capability is the CH-47F Chinook heavy-lift helicopter, along with the limited but unique MIL Mi-26 fleet, which together have enhanced the ability to move artillery, engineering equipment, oversized loads, and supplies to remote and high-altitude locations. In the combat role, the AH-64E Apache attack helicopter, supported historically by the Mi-25 Hind, has provided a major boost in precision strike, night operations, and battlefield survivability, integrating advanced sensors and networked warfare systems. Army aviation assets are primarily oriented towards reconnaissance, logistics, and close support. However, the continued reliance on aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters has remained a concern. These platforms, despite their proven service in high-altitude environments, face increasing limitations related to payload capacity, maintenance demands, and safety margins. Their phased replacement has become operationally urgent, particularly along India's northern borders. Naval helicopter capability is centered on maritime surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and shipborne operations. The induction of the MH-60R Seahawk has addressed a long-standing capability gap in anti-submarine and multi-role maritime aviation, enhancing fleet protection and surveillance reach. Indigenous Advanced Light Helicopter (ALH) variants continue to support utility, search and rescue, and coastal surveillance missions from both shore bases and naval platforms. A defining aspect of the current transition is the growing role of indigenous helicopter development led by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The ALH Dhruv, inducted across all three services, has emerged as the backbone of light utility operations. Its weaponized variant, Rudra, provides enhanced firepower for close air support and counterinsurgency roles. The light combat helicopter Prachand represents a major milestone in indigenous combat aviation. Designed specifically for high-altitude warfare, the platform is capable of operating at extreme elevations and temperatures, addressing a niche requirement that few global helicopters can meet. Its induction into both the Army and Air Force reflects a shift towards role-specific indigenous solutions. Despite progress in airframe design and avionics, engine dependency has historically remained one of the most critical vulnerabilities in India's aerospace ecosystem. This has placed renewed strategic emphasis on engine development and sustainment, an area where collaboration with Safran helicopter engines has assumed increasing importance. The Shakti engine, co-developed by Safran and HAL, powers the ALH Dhruv, Rudra, and LCH Prachand, and has demonstrated reliable performance in extreme operational conditions, including sustained high-altitude missions. Building on this foundation, Safran and Indian partners are advancing cooperation on a new-generation helicopter engine with deeper levels of technology transfer and industrial localization. Safran has expanded its footprint in India, focusing on manufacturing, assembly, testing, and maintenance, repair, and overhaul capabilities. For the Indian Armed Forces, this collaboration is strategically significant, as domestically supported engines reduce life cycle costs, improve fleet availability, and mitigate risks associated with external supply disruptions. HAL's future helicopter roadmap is closely linked to these engine initiatives. The light utility helicopter program is intended to replace the legacy Cheetah and Chetak fleets, offering improved payload, modern avionics, and enhanced safety for high-altitude and forward area operations. Beyond this, HAL is developing the Indian multi-role helicopter, envisioned as a medium-lift platform to eventually succeed the Mi-17 series. The Indian multi-role helicopter IMRH is expected to serve transport, special operations, and naval roles, with future variants tailored for shipborne operations. The availability of a more powerful, indigenous or jointly developed engine will be central to the program's viability. The strategic importance of helicopter modernization has grown amid evolving regional security challenges. Rapid mobility along contested borders, sustained logistics in difficult terrain, and expanded maritime surveillance in the Indian Ocean region underscore the critical role of rotary-wing aviation. Helicopters also remain essential for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, where speed and vertical lift are decisive. While imported platforms such as the Apache, Chinook, and MH-60R will continue to fill key roles, the long-term direction is clearly shifting towards Indian-designed and Indian-supported helicopters. The alignment of indigenous airframes, locally sustained engines, and a strengthening domestic supply chain reflects a steady move towards aerospace self-reliance.